Hi, good evening. My name is Gabriela Sanchez. Today is Wednesday, December the 9th, 2020. I'm going to be performing part 2 of the Lab 6 for the Lab 240 micro, the Methyl red and Vogues Proskauer testing. I've already wiped down my area. I'm going to put my goggles on. I've already labeled my 4 test tube. 2 of them have S. epidermidis and 2 of them have E. coli. So I've already labeled those. I have them right here. And I have everything else ready as well. So what I'm going to do, the liquid has been already incubated for about 48 hours. And so the liquid was already turbid in color. The test tubes have been sterilized and they've been allowed to dry. So they're ready to use. The first thing that I'm going to do, I poured half of the liquid into, so the S. epidermidis half into, I have 2 with the same label. So half and half for both S. epidermidis and E. coli. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get 1 set of S. epidermidis and the E. coli test tubes. And I'm going to cut this open. And I have the scissors here next to me. I'm going to get these opened. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pipette 7 drops of the methyl red reagent into one of the vials of E. coli and one of the vials of S. epidermidis. So it's going to be 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 on E. coli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we could observe the color. This one's just sitting up on the surface, and this one is also sitting on the surface. So I'm going to record those results in my data table. The next, and I'm going to take pictures and upload those. The next part of the test is I'm going to do the Vogues Proskauer test with the other 2 sets, or the other set of E. coli and S. epidermidis test tubes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab the Barrett's A reagent. I'm going to cut the tip off of that one, and I'm going to put 12 drops into each test tube. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to gently mix by swirling the test tube. And I'm going to do the same with the E. coli one. Okay. Now that I've done that, I'm going to grab the Barrett's B reagent. And I have it here. I'm going to cut the tip off of this one as well. And for this one, I'm going to place 4 drops in each of the same test tubes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that I've done that, I'm going to shake the tubes gently for about 30 seconds to expose the contents to oxygen. And I'm going to leave those on the test holder for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to check to see if there's any color change. And I'm going to go ahead and record the observations in data tape too, as well as upload pictures on those as well. That concludes my video. This is part 2 for lab number 6. And I'll upload it to YouTube. Thanks.